In this video, I am going to show you how you can set up dynamic island like iPhone in your Android phones. To create dynamic island on your phone, go to Play Store and search for dynamic island or dynamic spot and install the app. Open it. It will look like this. Now tap next and you have to give some permissions so that the app can work properly. Select the app from which you will get notification on the dynamic island. You can select all or you can select one by one. I would like to select one by one. Now allow the permission to show the notification and then draw over other app. Give all the permissions which it needed. That's it. Then tap done from the bottom. Now you will find the menu. Follow all the steps as I am doing on this video. You can pause this video and set up yourself. Check all the settings. We are almost done setting. Now we need to check this. This is how it looks. You can access any notification from the dynamic island. You can send like or reply. You can also change the position of the dynamic island. You can make it bigger or smaller, or you can place it more upper and lower. I think you need to do all this. Has done all these settings automatically. Let us check one time. By this way you can set up dynamic island on your Android phone like iPhone's dynamic island, and you can access all the notifications from that dynamic island. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope you like this video. Please give a thumbs up and share this video to your friends. Subscribe to the channel to get more this kind of videos regularly. Thanks for watching.